Being productive is crucial for achieving your goals and dreams. Today I'm going to teach you 5 strategies to improve your productivity at home. With so many distractions at home, such as social media, shows, games, internet in general, it gets very hard to be productive. After all, who wouldn't want to watch another episode of Game of Thrones when the last one ended on a cliffhanger? However, if you want to achieve your dreams, some sacrifices will be required. So let's get started. Number 1, the routine. It's very important to make a good routine. For example, if you're looking to make studying easier, you could clean your desk before you study and watch your favorite TV show or play your favorite video game as a reward at the end of your study session. You could also start studying at a certain time every day and study for a certain period of time. For this to be even more effective, you could use the Pomodoro technique. For those that do not know, the Pomodoro technique implies that you take 5-minute breaks for every 25 minutes of work. This 30-minute session is called a Pomodoro, and after you do 4 Pomodoros, you need to take a 15 to 30-minute break. Now that we have covered the routines, let's go to strategy number 2, to-do list. People often diminish the power of a to-do list, but writing down your thoughts instead of having them float around your head whole day helps a bunch. Also, the satisfaction of getting a task done and marking the checkbox as complete can be a great motivator for some. I would also recommend making a 90-day plan where you write out all your goals for 3 months, why you want to achieve those goals, and how you're going to achieve them. Break the goals into smaller steps that you can put into your daily to-do lists. Number 3, managing time. If you spend a lot of time on the computer, it's very easy to lose track of what you're actually doing. But you don't want to track your every move online. Fear not, there is a great app for that and it's called Rescue Time. Rescue Time tracks all of your usage on the computer and labels it in several categories, the 3 biggest being entertainment, neutral and productive. By using Rescue Time, you can pinpoint what uses most of your time and then avoid such a source of entertainment. For example, if YouTube were to use 4 hours of your time daily, then you could try lowering your time on YouTube by 15 minutes each day. You could even use an app to block your website after you spend a certain time on it. I heard that Stay Focused is good for that, but I have not used it personally yet. I will put links in the description for both Rescue Time and Stay Focused. Now let's go on to number 4. Focusing on one thing at a time. Not many of you know this, but multitasking is a myth. By doing multiple things at a time, you're actually doing one thing at a time but switching between them. By constantly switching between 2 or more tasks, you are losing time and focus. What you should do instead is focus on one thing at a time. It will help you get tasks done much faster. Try for yourself and compare the results. Number 5. Take a break. In society, working hard is praised, but it's a bad practice. Brad Stolber and Steve Magnus, in their book Peak Performance, heavily emphasize this idea. To grow, you should alternate between periods of stress and rest. Tackle just manageable challenges. You should not feel fully in control on purpose. Then, rest on purpose. Every so often, you should take a walk and disconnect from your work. If you tackle challenges that are just barely manageable, you will be able to handle those challenges with ease in the future, thus going to harder challenges which you could not complete when you started. To recap, in order to increase your productivity at home, you should do these things. Make a routine, make a to-do list, manage your time better, focus only on one thing at a time, and take breaks. If you apply these things to your daily life, you will surely be more productive. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe for more videos just like this one. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and tell me in the comment section below which of these 5 strategies will you first apply. If you're looking for additional knowledge, the pinned comment below this video contains more tips and tricks on increasing your productivity. See you guys in the next video.